Ini kali ini apa program yang diikuti?
So, untuk kali pertama saya datang ke Indonesia ialah program kerjasama bersama UTM dan UNILA.
Okey.
Jadi program ini mengajar student daripada UTM untuk cara kita mengenal budaya dan adat
Budaya, ada adat dan budaya khususnya Lampung ya.
Ya, Lampung.
And
Right.
it has, every unique movement of the dance and even the instrument, the musical instrument actually tells a lot about the story of Lampung.
Oke, selamat malam pemirsa Anisayu Institute di mana saja berada. Senang sekali kita jumpa lagi nih dengan tamu-tamu kita yang luar biasa. Malam ini kita kedatangan tamu, dua pelajar dari UTM,
Ya.
University of Technology
Malaysia.
Malaysia di Johor
Di Johor.
Baru, dan Adinda sama dari UTM
Sama,
juga,
daripada
sama.
UTM.
Ini universitas yang cukup dikenal, alhamdulillah. Nah, mereka berdua berkesempatan datang ke Lampung dan mengenal adat dan budaya Lampung. Mungkin sedikit dikenalkan dulu, Adinda.
Okey. Jadi nama saya Shano Idham Zailin.
Panggil Idham.
Panggil Idham boleh,
Okey.
Shano pun boleh.
Okey.
Jadi saya belajar di UTM,
Ya, fakultas apa?
Fakultas Pendidikan.
Pendidikan.
Tapi dari segi lebih tepatnya
Pendidikan.
pendidikan technical vocational education
Okey,
teaching.
okey, vocational ya.
Ya.
Adinda?
Saya Atika.
Adika.
Saya
Okey.
daripada UTM.
Yeah.
I'm doing my masters
Iya.
in education and development.
Oke, terima kasih. Selamat datang di Lampung. Kalau yang Lampung menerima tamu dia begini tadi pun.
Ya,
Nah, dia jawab
Ya pun.
ya pun. Saya mulai Idham dulu. Idham,
Ya, sih.
apakah ini pertama kali buat Idham datang ke Indonesia?
Ya, ini merupakan kali pertama saya datang ke Indonesia.
Oke, ini kali ini apa program yang diikuti?
So, untuk kali pertama saya datang ke Indonesia ialah program kerjasama bersama UTM dan UNILA.
Oke.
Jadi program ini mengajar student daripada UTM untuk cara kita mengenal budaya dan adat
Budaya, ada adat dan budaya khususnya Lampung ya.
Ya, Lampung.
Okey.
Rakyat Indonesia juga.
Oke, Adinda, gimana mungkin apa ini minggu pertama kali?
Yeah,
Ke
it's my first time as
Indonesia.
well. Because so far I think it's my second program with Unila.
Oh, oke,
The first one was actually the conference with them, online conference.
oke,
And this is my second one, the summer camp.
oke.
I'm here to actually to learn more in depth about how does Lampung people live, and then because Lampung is not something that Malaysian talks about a lot.
Okay,
Interesting.
but this is the first time for you
Yes,
to come
yes.
to Lampung,
Yes.
actually ya.
Correct.
Oke, salah. Bicara Malaysia, bicara Indonesia, karena kita negara yang serumpun ya,
Ya,
mungkin
betul.
sudah cukup banyak yang kita kenal. Tapi khusus Lampung ini mungkin ada yang unik-unik ya.
Ya.
Ada yang unik-unik ya. Hari ini kita Anisayu Institute membuat program belajar memasak tadi
Ya,
Wah,
betul.
tadi
Betul. Belajar masak. Betul,
tadi
betul.
masak apa tadi? Dah.
Masak kuih tiaw goreng.
Kue tiaw, ada nasi mie goreng juga
Ya,
ya.
mie goreng.
Oke. Adinda tadi makan apa? Lalu
Lemet.
bikin kue.
Lemet, I think.
Oke, bahasa Lampungnya itu ketimus.
Ketimu.
Iya, ketimus itu kue yang dibuat dari singkong yang diparut, kemudian dikasih gula merah. Nah, rasanya lengket-lengket gitu.
Iya.
Ada filosofi lemet itu adalah kue yang membuat lengket keluarga dan diharapkan juga yang makan kue itu mendapatkan kemanisan hidup. Begitu.
Itu filosofi.
Filosofinya. Kenapa diminta tadi bikin ketimus itu, gitu. Oke, Adinda.
Yes.
Tadi juga katanya belajar nari ya?
Nari, belajar bermain alat musik.
Bermain alat musik
Iya.
di Unila ya,
Iya, di Unila.
kampus Panglima Polim ya.
Iya.
Apa impression Adinda setelah sudah berapa hari di sini?
Sudah hari
Ketiga ya, sudah ketiga.
Hari
Apa
ketiga.
impressionnya terhadap Lampung mungkin atau
Bagi saya setelah hari ketiga di Lampung, saya rasa amat unik dari segi budaya
budaya?
dan dari segi orang kata itu produktiviti masyarakat Lampung
Okey.
dengan produktiviti masyarakat Malaysia itu jauh beza.
Oh.
Jauh beza.
Adinda gimana? Apa impressionnya?
I think it's very rich in culture.
Okay.
It's not something that I can usually find when I'm reading or listening about Indonesia per se, because I feel like Lampung has its own identity.
Yeah.
And it has, every unique movement of the dance and even the musical instrument actually tells a lot about the story of Lampung.
Okay, thank you very much. I think within 2 or 3 days more, you will go to the beach
Yeah.
because Lampung is very rich. We have so many beach. We have very good island called Pahawang.
Pahawang.
And then in the Pahawang, you can do a diving to see very beautiful fish over there. So I hope you will enjoy it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Not only the culture
And the
and
beaches.
food, and also of course tourism in
Tourism.
Lampung. So again, you come to Unila.
Yeah.
Probably Idham can just inform us a little bit. What is the difference within Unila Indonesian educational systems and also educational system in Malaysia that you know probably?
So I think the difference is between the education system is Unila. What I see is they have a micro teaching room,
Okay.
and the micro teaching room is very mesmerizing. They have a soundproofing system, which is a very good system that I think Malaysian education need to take a point to make it to improve our education
You mean
system.
that the Unila educational
Yeah.
system is
I think by far
equipped with very good facilities, something
have a
like
very
that,
good
yeah.
facilities for the education, and I also watched the psychology room where the student get counseling, where the room is also provided with a soundproofing system and very good, and the environment is very captivating.
Okay, thank you very much. How about Adinda? Probably you have some opinion or some improvement that we can do in the future.
I think it's quite interesting that most of the students in Unila, and I think that this happens in all across Indonesia, I think because of the language policy that you
Okay.
have, because everyone actually speaks the language of Indonesia very well, regardless of your race. But I believe that, this might sound like a little bit presumptuous. But I feel like although the language policy is already very good, a little bit of openness towards
Okay.
the use of language of English per se
Yes.
would actually opens a lot more doors to Indonesian students.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think. Do you have more information that can be informed for our
I think
Indonesian students?
it's better for Indonesian student. I think it's not that they doesn't speak English.
Okay.
I think they're a bit shy
Yeah,
to
yeah,
speak
yeah.
because they afraid to pronounce it wrong.
Yes, yes, yes. you are
And
right.
yeah, it's same with Malaysia.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think if we need to upgrade ourselves, upskilling, we need to push our boundaries.
Yes, yes.
Therefore,
For internationalization.
yeah, I
yeah.
think if Indonesian student can do that, so they can be more forward. I think.
Yeah, very good suggestion. So, this is very important for our students in Indonesia to improve our English style,
English style and
communication.
yeah.
and be more confident.
Yeah, okay.
Just-
I think that's all for our talk
Talk.
tonight.
Yeah.
Have a nice day in Lampung.
Lampung, yeah.
Enjoy your stay.
Terima kasih.
You have 1 week more,
One week, yeah, 1 week.
so you can enjoy
Yeah.
any birds, and also you can enjoy Nuono Tasa with the many
Yeah.
Lampung
Enjoy the food. Yeah.
ornaments, and of course also you can enjoy some like cookies from Lampung. Please try this one. This cookies. Juada Bangkit. We call it Juada Bangkit. This is the special cookies from Lampung. This is from the coconuts and some brown sugar. What do you think?
It's very good.
Very good? How about you? Do you like it?
Yeah.
So today you try the Lampung coffee?
Lampung coffee?
Yeah, okay. Next we will prepare Lampung coffee for you, and lemet, and mie goreng, and
Mie goreng.
Juada Bangkit.
Yeah.
Please enjoy Lampung.
Yeah,
As
terima
you
kasih.
like it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Kami.
much.
Kami pun.
Ya pun.